When you're dividing assets in a divorce, it comes to the question of what is community property and what is separate property. Because as you know, community property, you need to divide equally. Separate property, you don't divide. You get to keep your own separate property. Hi, I'm Mohajer. I'm an attorney practicing in the greater Los Angeles County since 2012. I've been a contributing member of the Los Angeles County Bar Association, and I've been rated by Super Lawyer since 2019. Now, community property, by definition, is anything that you acquire between the date of marriage and the date of separation. Separate property, by definition, is anything you acquire prior to the date of marriage or after the date of separation. But there are a few exceptions. If you were to acquire any type of inheritance or a gift during your marriage, that is also considered as separate property. Or income, as you may know, any income that you earn during your marriage, that's not your income. That's considered as community property. But what happens if you have an investment property that you had prior to marriage that's generating income for you? Well, that income, because it's coming from a separate property asset, it remains a separate property income as well. But if you transmute that separate property into community property, you lose all argument to keep it as your own separate property. You will have to divide it eventually when it comes to court or trial. If you have questions about your assets, you have questions of what's really community, what's really separate, and what do I even have to give to my ex-spouse, give us a call. I offer a free initial consultation, and I'll be happy to sit with you one-on-one.